ay wala na sa aking feeling.
They may say you do it for Instagram, but no, I don't do it for the gram, and I don't do it for you. I do it for me, because someday I may not be able to, and someday my memories will fade, but I'll always have these memories to remind myself that I was wild and free.
Ika'y malaya na. Ako ay pipikit, hihinga ng malalim, sa uli ay bibitaw. Sagada kung saan lahat ay sinigaw, sa langit na ikaw ay muling matanaw. Sagada ang tagpuan kung saan hindi nakdang magwakas.